Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. I'm sorry I have not recorded. I said I was going to, but my phone kept overheating. I couldn't open any apps, so couldn't really get on. Had to wait a little while for it to cool down, and then it would heat up really fast. So right now it's fine. It's a little hot, See how long we can go. So I actually just fell off a little bit earlier. I just got on. Fell off. Took half my health. But, I ate some apples and I'm up here now. Just cow here. Oh, wow. Wow. Guess I already hit the cow. Oh, let's go back down to the village. Do 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 do. Let's go. We are here. We made it to the village. Sorry, I'm actually still a little tired. Okay, so, you know what, let's go mining. Why not? We're gonna go mining. Gonna take some planks and stuff. I can make a new pickaxe down there. Alright, some flesh in that tree. Good job, Iron Golem, you killed some zombies. Yeah. Oh, there's some more here. Oh, some grass. Good job, Mr. Iron Golem. Alright, let's go find a cave. Pretty sure there was one. Oh, mother of lag. Whoa, I am lagging a lot. There's a cave right here. Let's go. Was I just here yet? A few days back. Yeah, it was. Okay. I think there's a spawner down there actually. Some shrooms down here. Alright. Gosh dang it. I'm gonna try and patch up these holes. So they're not just holes here. Is this a cave? Doesn't look like it. I mean, it might be. No, it's actually just here. I'm stupid. Alright, let's go back. Do some sugarcane over here. Hey, break that. Gonna plant it again. Boop 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 boop. Alright, let's back to the cave. Because there's some more sugarcane over there. We'll worry about that later. There has to be some caves here in the plains. A little part of the plains right here. Cave. Is this a cave? I really hate how the water goes like this. I just think it's a cave, but it's not. Alright. Crap. Kill these sheep. Collect some mutton. Yeah. The 2 sheep gave me 2. So how many are you gonna give me? Yeah. You gave me 1. Good job. So happy. Eat a few apples. Almost out of apples. Because I run out and I jump a lot, so that's why I always waste. Dang, that's a nice drop. Alright, let's go down. Oh, it's a thunderstorm. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Just fill in. Alright. Die of water. Where I went, there's nothing even here. That's stupid. How am I gonna get out? You just used all my blocks. Alright, let's go down. 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 Al You got any dirt on me? Nope. Alright, we're just gonna dig out, you know? Gotta dig out like cool people do. Yes, I'm using my pickaxe to break dirt and suffer. Fine, I'll use some wool. Most efficient way to break dirt, you know? Gotta break the dirt, gotta break the dirt. Going up, gotta break the dirt. I'm out. Alright. Well, I see no caves that actually go anywhere. Which is just freaking fantastic. There has to be a cave over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, look. We gotta be... See, that's a cave. This has to lead somewhere. If it doesn't, then it's just stupid. Torch. Okay, this looks like a promising cave. Oh, look, some iron. Yay, iron. Gonna be mining diamonds in no time. Do, 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 do. Yay. Okay, we got that. We didn't get much. What did we get? We got 6 pieces. Stupid. There we go. Some coal over here. A few years back, I'd always be scared to go mining. So I'd always have to strip mine, because I was always scared that I was going to die. But now, you know, I'm fine, you know. I'm no longer scared of the caves. I was like terrified to go anywhere near a cave. If there was a cave near my house, I'd actually patch it up. I want nothing to do with caves. But now, you know, it's fine. I'm good. Plug up that water. Look, some more iron. Wow. We're gonna have an iron set in no time. Sorry, my head is just like really itchy and I don't know why. It's really annoying. Alright. Oh, we reached the end. Alright, time to mine this last bit of iron. I hear spider. Spider, where are you? I hear it. Oh crap, I missed some iron. There's probably there's more of the cave around, but you know, I'm not gonna dig around. I'm just gonna collect this iron. I'm gonna go. Did I get it all? Yes, I did. Woo, let's go. Going out of the cave. Crap, it's getting night. Oh no. You gotta run all the way back. Run. Run. Ah. No. It's almost nighttime. It is nighttime, actually. Oh no. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, go, go. I am actually... Oh, there's my village. It's a nice creepy creep around there. Gotta swim to the other side. Like cool people do. Oh crap, I gotta get all the way up there. Screw it, I'm just gonna sleep here. Whoa, sleep. Sleep, come on. Go away. Draw thy sword and charge into battle. Where are the zombies? Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm lagging so much. Did all the villagers die? Nah. This village is still fine. You're fine, aren't you? Oh crap, I just saw a village. No, 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 no. Not okay. Is it a skeleton? Because I kind of just heard a little clitter clatter of the bones. Probably just burned. I swear that is the last villager. There's one villager left. No, wait, there might be some up there, but you know. This is the last village. Oh no, wait, there's some more over there. Wait, was that a clerk? Clerks are cool. You a clerk? No, you are a fisherman. Yay, fishies. Tinkle. For an emerald. See, I really don't want that. So I'm just gonna say no. Sorry. Nope. What do you trade me, Mr. Villager? Wait, is this a cave? Nah. Keep like accidentally crouching. Oh, I traded with you. $20 wheat for an emerald and 1 emerald for 8 bread. 6 bread, I mean. So let's do the math. 3, 6, 9, 12. Wait, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I cannot do math, but I'm pretty sure you get the same amount. They never really compose anything. They just like walk up to it. Just like tap it. They really don't compose anything. Hey there. How's it going? I mean, bread is good. The magical tree of magicalness is here. Right here, I'm gonna break a little bit of this wheat here. And I'm gonna shove it into his face. I'm gonna give him his own wheat. That's not bullying. It's not. It's not at all. You'll put that down there. There we go. Woo! Got 7 hay bales. We got 63. Oh, I just got shot at. I heard it. I heard it. Where did I get shot from? Right here. Take that. I take thy emeralds. Then I take thy bread. We are so close to getting to the next level. I'm sorry. Not many more doing it. I don't care. Oh, look, we can make one more. Okay, so the air came from there. Oh, there it is. Bring it. Oh, I got screwed. You got screwed. So this guy won't farm these stuffs because he's a wheat farmer. So you got to. Is that a zombie village? It's cartographer. Okay. Cartographer table. So these 2 villagers have to have a child, and then one of them has to have another child with their child, and then the 2 childs are gonna have another one. So it's like never-ending incest, I guess. Oh, that's terrible. Some nice horses here. So how do you get 2 villagers to have a child thing? How? I'm just gonna like push you over there. Gosh dang. There's some bookshelves here, you know, and we get an enchantment table. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. Just up here. Yeah. I might break some of these houses for just the resources. So like, let's say I'm gonna like break this library house here. Probably gonna do that like a little late. Oh wow, I'm lagging again. What a surprise. I never expected me to lag. I don't know what you're talking about. Here, let's break these carrots. Gotta collect the carrots. Okay, so you trade for wheat, but you plant potatoes. That's just logic right there. Can never go wrong with logic. Collect it. There's some potatoes in the water. Collect them. Sorry, collect some of your potatoes. Come get them. Some right there. What are you doing? Some potatoes like right there. Can you not collect them? Here. Take them. Hey, you got potatoes now. Alright, oh no, look, there's another villager up there. Yay. Let's go visit him. Hello, Mr. Villager. Gotta put some stuff away. Alright, got some bones, wheat, arrows, flesh, stuff. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna smelt some of this iron. Oh look, we already got some iron. Hey, put this coal away then. Put this away. I'm probably gonna use these carrots as food for a little while now, I guess. Yay, cook my iron, cook. Woo! Alright. So, we're gonna break some of these houses, I guess. We can break that one right there. And then we could... then we can destroy those three back there. That one in the middle, and that'll be everything. So let's go get some iron tools and go demolish that. Actually, no. I'm gonna use stone tools. Might use an iron axe though. Here. Get some pickaxes, get an axe going. Need another pick, I guess. What's that? I'm gonna do that. Iron's almost done. I'm gonna eat these carrots. Hey villager, how's it going? It takes so long to get full with carrots. And then you're hungry like so fast. It's not even worth it. Alright, time to go demolish some houses. Demolition crew. Alright, so I'm gonna destroy that one, and this one, and that one. Start with this one. Alright, How do we go about doing this? Right, start. Oh, yay, with this lag, it's gonna be so fun to do this. Oh, it's gonna be fantastic. Don't you dare worry. Gotta break it all. Alright, sorry, I had to do something. Alright, gotta break this stuff up here. Break the nice stairs. Can use them for other things, I guess. Dupe collected. Let's go break this side then. Gotta break the magical stairs. Almost done collecting the sides of the roof. Poor axe. Sorry, Mr. Axe. But that's what you were made for. To be used and to eventually die. Oh crap, I'm dying. Sorry, I couldn't speak for a little while. Alright, we trimmed the edges. Now we gotta go to sleep. But we got a bed right here, so let's just use it. Whoa! Next day. Start breaking the roof. Yay. Gotta break the magical roof. Gotta break it all good. Do 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 do. Got it. Side was done collecting the roof. There we go. Can't reach the top though. Here we're gonna break this. Now we're up top. We can break it from the top to the bottom. Gotta break this now. Do do do. Come on. Break down these side poles. I don't know what we can do with these resources we get. We could make a new house. We could expand our house. Or we could just keep them for tools and stuff. I really don't know. We can see. We might get a lot. Gosh dang, I keep yawning. So tired. Oops. Well, there goes my pickaxe. Break this stupid glass. Die, glass. That's why we made so many pickaxes. Gotta break all the stone, then I'll break all the wood. Do 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 do. Okay. Get some mossy cobblestone too. Gotta break the foundation. Break this side. Boop. This wall here. And then it's gonna be, the rest of the job is just gonna be for the axe, because there's gonna be no more stone. Gotta break this over here. Just gonna leave a little bit of the wooden frame. Break the doors. Boop, boop. There we go. Okay, is there any more like stone? Nope. Well, axe time. We get a bunch of logs out of this. Look at that. Logs for days. Honestly, like, one house like requires a bunch of materials. I mean, they make them look like pretty nice, so you destroy one, you get like a bunch of logs and wood and cobblestone. So, you know, it's great. Sometimes there's like a bunch. So, you know, it really doesn't matter if you destroy one or two. Or in my case, 3. I'm probably gonna destroy 3. Just the base is left. Chest, we can put it in our house. Expand it, ours, into a double chest. And with that, we are done. Woo! Wow, we got over a stack of stairs. You see that? Wow. Got 28 logs, 9 pieces of wood, a chest, doors, cobblestone. It's great. I almost accidentally hit the golem. Gosh dang it. Destroy that house now. We can do that later. Let's go back. Let's deposit all our magical loot. Wait, what? That really triggers me out. There's just like a bunch of potatoes and then just that one carrot. I need a more efficient way to get up here. Made it. Right, gotta put down these resources. I got a bed, mossy cobblestone, bunch of stairs actually, like a ton. Oh, look at that. We're out of room. That's why we got a new chest. Boom. Boom. And oh, I got 2 crafting tables. That's great. Alright, boom. Look at all that storage. It's great. Oh no. I lagged. I clicked something. Alright, there we go. This episode like really wasn't that exciting at all. I'm gonna try and record it another time. See if my phone doesn't overheat. Sometimes I just crash, like I can't actually get into the game. So I have to like keep clicking it until eventually it lets me get into the game. So like I click it, it takes me to like the thing to where Minecraft is like loading, and then the screen goes black, and then I'm just back to my home screen. It keeps crashing. So you know, sometimes I just can't get on. Actually, I was going to start a Terraria thingamabobber, but I need to buy the full version. So I'm gonna see if I can get some dollars and see if I can get that. Now we can play some Terraria. Woo! I tried it a little bit. I installed it and then I tried a little bit. Kinda understand. No, not really, not completely. Supposedly it's like a really fun game. So it's like pretty similar to Minecraft. So yeah. Seems like I might enjoy it. Pride Rock is over there. Hey. I really just want to build like the pillar upwards in the middle. And we can live in that. That'd be great. Alright. So now that we're over, it worked. I said it would happen and it did. And exactly the 2 that I said would have a child did. That is amazing. That was now the parents are talking about the disputes, man. Dude, you better get out of here, man. You don't want to listen to that. My phone just vibrated. I don't know why. Can't check. I don't know what happened. The parents are like arguing who's gonna pay the child support. You pay it. You have a nice luscious farm and you can sell your crops. I really don't even get that much. You fish. There's like an ocean right next to us. Oh, I was like trying to like talk. What happened to the kid? The child ran away. No. You're awful parents. Gosh dang it. The child's gone. Crap, we gotta file an Amber Alert, I think. Is that what happened? Oh, no, there he is. Dude's just leaving. He's just, I'm out. Screw you all. It's a little rebel. It's like 1 block tall. Hey there. What you want to be when you grow up? I want to be an astronaut. Oh, yay. I'm going to be a great astronaut. Gosh dang. What you doing to my child? Don't you dare get close to my child again. Son, get over here. Like, honestly, I was just talking to him, and then he just, like, pops out of nowhere and just, like, gets in my face. Stupid villager. I own this town. I'm the mayor. So I can talk to your child. Where are you? Hey there. How's it going? You want a piece of bread? I don't got any. But you can't eat your carrots. There you go. Oh. Okay. Don't you look at me like that. I'm gonna punch you, but I can't because you're stupid. Stupid iron golem's gonna get me. What is this wandering trader trade? He never has anything good. He always just has trash. Look at that. It's garbage, man. Garbage. Something in the house? You saw him like run. Meow. This guy like really wants to get in there. Ooh, you're trapped. Oh, you're stupid. Alright, you 2 pigs, I got some carrots. You can make the piglets. Alright, I'm gonna go back up. Gotta go up. Child's coming up here too. Hey there. Gotta go up. I can never find a way up. I was honestly about to ambush that farmer. I thought it was just a zombie wearing a golden helmet. I was about to just jump on him, drive my blade through his head. But you know, I saw the little cracks in there, so I didn't go. So, yeah. Oi! Alright, so we're gonna break another house later. Next episode, we might, improve the house, make a new house. I'm gonna collect a bunch of cobblestone so we can make the huge spiral thing over there. I don't know how many floors it had or how it looked. I'm gonna just Google Pride Rock. And I'm just gonna, copy that. Pride Rock. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna collect a bunch of cobblestone probably. I'm just gonna do that. Now that we got a bunch of iron, we have exactly enough for a full set. I mean, should we? I mean, we have enough for a whole set. Nah, we can save it for like tools and stuff. Alright, so yeah, alright, so you decide where you want me to live. We stay at Pride Rock. We make a new home here somewhere. With the resources we got, or we just stay where we are, So Pride Rock, original home, we'll make a new home. You decide, I really don't know. I like to stay everywhere. Can make like a vacation home. Alright, so thanks for watching. This video we didn't really do much. So it was like a really boring video, but we recorded one, that's all that matters. Woo! There's like this little thing under the house so we could like do something with that. I don't know what we could do. Like, why can't I swim? Swim, there we go. We could like dig this out a little bit. Oh look, we're breathing. We could like make a little base back here. Just gonna break a few blocks. Go a few blocks actually. We could do something down here, We can make like a fallout shelter. Just have like have like some food, a bed, some swords and weapons. Just have a little fallout shelter. Just for fun. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time, and I'm sorry I've not recorded. I'll see what I can do to prevent my phone from overheating so much. I might actually buy a headset that has like a microphone so you can probably hear me better. Because like honestly sometimes I look over the video and like you can hardly hear me half the time. Because like I record with the microphone that's on. Yeah, okay. Like with the microphone of my phone. So it's like this tiny little hole by the charger slot, so like I occasionally like cover that hole. So I have to like hold it from the bottom so I don't you can actually hear me. So with that with a headset, that'd be a lot easier. Like you could hear me, it's gonna be great. I don't know how much they cost. One of my friends has one. I'm gonna see if I can ask him where he got it, or for how much. And I'll buy one. It's gonna be great. And also tell me what other games you like to see me play. Honestly, I'm just planning to play Minecraft and Terraria. I don't know what other games we could do. Could play I really don't know. You tell me. See if I can I can get it. I have to download it. Because I really don't have a... Actually, I do have a DS. So I could play stuff on that. But I really don't know how to record from the DS screen. So I have to, like, put up my phone up against... I think I recorded some videos a long time ago. Trying to use my phone, but I never posted them. We could play Mario Luigi Dream Team, Paper Mario. I also have like this Harry Potter game. So yeah, I have like 3 games we could play on my DS, I don't know what other games I could download on my phone. We could play them, it's great. So alright, see you next time. I really don't have an outro or anything, so I just say goodbye. The sun's right above us. Say goodbye, Mr. Sun. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Doo doo doo. Alright, we always have to end the video, Pride Rock. I mean, come on. We just have to, right? We just have to. It's just a thing we do. We just has to. Like, this is now a tradition. We gotta come up here every time we end a video and just say goodbye from here. Alright. Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day. I already started school, so I might not record videos. I might record some on the weekend. So, because I have to focus on schools so I don't dies. I'm actually in 8th grade. So, I have to pass every single class to go to high school, So I really want to go. I don't want to be left behind. So, yeah, and I'm going to try and focus this year on that. See if I can find time to record a video, too. It's like the top layer. Here we go. Alright. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.